Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 4 of our JavaScript playlist. Okay, so we already seen like how we can print like message through console.log. Now we will see how we can print message console.info, console.war. Warn is nothing but warning, console.error and console.table, right? So we will write this method. Okay, so here we have our app.js. Okay, if you are not sure about these files, what are they? So you can refer my previous videos. Okay, where I told you like how we can create these files and what is the purpose and how we can link these files to each other, right? So that you can understand in previous videos. Okay, so here we will see different ways to display the message. Okay, so like first we have seen already console.log. So when you say console.log, so log message, right? I'm writing like this log message, and then console dot, we can say console.info, info message, and then console.warn we have, right? Console.warn message, console whatever message we want to write here, we can write in double quotes or single quotes. And then after that we have error message, console.error message. Okay, then we have console. Okay, later we will see what is this. Last one is what? Table. Okay, let me check with check in output how the output is coming. So this was my previous output. So you have to open the development mode. So how you will open? You will inspect. Suppose what I will do, I will write double click, and this is the mode, inspect mode. You have to open. Okay, and the second tab is for console. So come to the console and refresh. Okay, so here you can see this is the log message. Means this is coming from console.log, and this is coming just because of console.info. And this symbol, see this warning symbol is coming. This is coming because of we print warn message, console.warn. Okay, right? And this is coming just because we use console.error. Okay, so it is coming like error. Okay, so these are the ways. Suppose if you want to print console.table, so how you can create, how you can print like console.table. So in order to print table, we have to create the object. We will discuss later about the object. For example, let student. Okay, so I'm creating a student object. If you don't know about the object, don't worry, we will discuss about this object. For example, Ram. Okay, then age is 23 and course is like MC. So how we can print this object through table? So we will generally we print object using the table. So we will write here console dot table. Okay, console dot table, and what's the table name? Here I will write object name. Okay, what is our object name? Student, right? Okay, we write it semicolon and go to the browser and refresh. So can you see your values are coming like a table. So here is our here what index, and this is a value. So this is a name, age, and course, right? So it is coming like this. So this is how we can use these methods to print our JavaScript message, right? In the next video, we will discuss about like what are the data types and how we can declare the variable, and we will also learn like how we can print the variable data along with message. So in the next video, we will cover all right. So thank you everyone for watching this video. All right.